We're getting some answers about COVID-19 booster shots. They are on a lot of minds these days after an FDA panel recommended boosters for some, but not all adults. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino has been asking the experts today who might be eligible. He is live from Hartford Hospital with some of those answers for us. Mike.
Well, Caitlin, as you just mentioned, the immunocompromised have already been approved to get booster shots of the Pfizer or the Moderna vaccine. Well, this advisory panel has advised that people 65 and older and people who are high risk can be eligible for the Pfizer vaccine. So we also talked to doctors about how they're getting ready for this.
The discussion about the boosters has been somewhat confusing.
A key FDA panel has recommended some big changes to Pfizer's application to give out more booster shots. Changes so big, doctors have been getting a lot of questions. So if the FDA approves this application, who is eligible?
We're looking at individuals that are at highest risk for severe disease.
The advisory panel has recommended Pfizer booster shots for people 65 and older and for people who are at high risk for serious COVID cases. Doctors are still waiting on guidance there, but they say this is likely going to be people with diabetes, heart disease, and other pre-existing conditions.
It's definitely a larger subset than just the immunocompromised patients.
Hartford HealthCare says they may require appointments early on for boosters, but that's mainly to help monitor demand. They also say demand for booster shots among the immunocompromised has been steady, but still slower than they hoped.
We're hoping folks will come around. It's still early in the stage right now.
Doctors say they're not worried about healthy people claiming to be high risk just to get a booster shot.
Generally, I like to believe that people do the right thing and they will follow the right protocol.
The FDA advisory panel says the data shows that the rest of the population still has enough immunity. But what if that changes, either because immunity wanes or a new variant emerges? Can Pfizer apply again?
So I think if that shifts, then absolutely, definitely, they should and they would come back to try to get a different level of approval.
Now, this application is just for Pfizer. Moderna is also studying whether to expand uses of its booster shot beyond the immunocompromised, and Johnson & Johnson continues to study booster shots for its vaccine. Live from Hartford, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Mike, thank you very much.